Hey, my youth, you know where you watch? Dancehall skilla! Well, people, Dancehall skilla there again. Big up and respect to each and everyone. I hope that everyone are alright. Manners and respect, you see. Now, I'm a Jamaican, you see. But I am going to present a video to you that I be recorded within the Bahamas. And I want to say big up and respect to each and every one of my viewers from within the Bahamas Islands. Yes, so may I say viewers, subscribers. Now, the video that I'm about to present to you is going to show some things that happened during a confrontation between police officers and civilians within the Bahamas. Now, I got the understanding that a man who goes by the last name of Bain was arrested or detained by the police. It is said that Bain and other persons was outside of the House of Assembly, that's within the Bahamas, and that they were there trying to draw attention to certain issues within the Bahamas, no viewers and subscribers. But however, it reached to the point where a confrontation developed between police and civilians, and certain things happen. Viewers and subscribers, I'm going to present the video to you so that you can take a look at the video for yourself. You can also let me know what you think. You know, me get the understanding that there are some questions being asked about the situation. You know, like some question being asked if police assaulted Bain or did Bain do something wrong. You understand? But anyways, some of the scenes in this video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewer discretion is advised. Observe.
He's a healthy doctor. Don't push me. Hey! Do not push me. You out of your mind? Alright? Don't push him. Don't push him. Don't push him. Don't push on him. I am going into the house. Don't push on him. I am not. Don't push on him. Don't push on him. That's a different day. Don't push on him. Please arrest me. That's a different day. Don't put your hand on him. I'm already showing the officers in there. They have no problem with that. The members of parliament are here. I asked you to go about 5 minutes ago. Not one member of parliament has a problem with our presence here. Listen to me. Not one member of parliament. We are here for a purpose. Enforce the law. We are here for a purpose. Yeah, but don't abuse the laws. So you need to go in the house. You have no complaint. You are. This is an unlawful assembly. No, it is not. We are here for a purpose. No, it's not. So this is an unlawful assembly. This is not an unlawful assembly. You know what to do. You can begin your arrest. Let us not bring everybody. Lock all the stuff. Lock all the stuff. Davis instructed him to do this. No. No. So you think we're tired? Be tired of yours. Be tired of yours. Be tired of yours. You just disturbed the peace. No, this was very peaceful. You disturbed the peace. Thank you. You have no rights to touch and push. Bahamas, why is this hand on me? Why giving on the members of parliament were very cooperative. They have no problem with me being here. We are doing this to save our country. We are here peacefully and you are aggravated. You aggravated it. No, you aggravated it. You disturbed the peace. You was a liar. You remember your face. You push me off the stage. You pushed him off the stage. Intentionally. You ain't got to fix him up. That's what you ain't got to stop them. Don't push up on him. We ain't come here for that. We ain't come here for no Since I'm here with these papers in my hand, the whole public can see what's going on. I am loitering with Mr. Lettuce, the members of parliament, who are turning around to get their letters and shaking my hand and talking peacefully. I am loitering. That's Bain. Alright, that's loitering. I am here for a purpose. God raised me without a purpose. You know I do the law, and you know it. Why are you abusing the law? Is this necessary? Why are you so brave since you don't care? Why are you trying to disturb? I'm not disturbing. But we wasn't disturbing the peace. If you push me, you assaulted me for no reason. And now you're saying that I should have a right to protest. You know the law. You have a right to lawfully protest. I have a right to protest if you are lawfully me. I'm not talking about a demonstration. I mean to speak out. I'm talking about speaking out if you assault me. We are not, this is not a demonstration. Is it? No, it's not. Unlawfully assembled in this area. They're not unlawfully assembled. You like that word, unlawfully. You see the purpose of being here, and the old Bahamas can see. Alright? Husband says. You got him? Okay.
I never heard it and I don't like it.
Why are you doing this? This is not necessary. This is not necessary. Not one member of Parliament has been calling with our friends. They are cooperating with us. Why are you doing this? Go ahead. Why are you pushing take your hand off me? Take your stick off me.
Don't put it in your throat. Hold on now. That's assault.
Everyone who touched me,
That's assault.
you will be arrested. You will be arrested.
Take off the hand of him.
No, you don't put your hand down, Lincoln. Don't touch him, Lincoln. Don't touch him. But don't push him. Don't push him. Lincoln is not touching you. Lincoln is not touching you. Lincoln is not touching you.
Take off the hand of him.
You? Hey, that's not. You choking Lincoln, sir. No, you choking Lincoln, sir.
Assaulted me. Now you are here. I never touched you. So you are obstructing. I never touched you.
You choking Lincoln, sir.
I never touched you. I never touched you.
Sir, you choking Lincoln, sir. You choking Lincoln, sir. You choking Lincoln, sir.
I can't breathe. I can't.
You choking Lincoln, sir.
Take off the hand of him.
Lincoln, keep your hands up, Lincoln. Keep your hands up, Lincoln. Yeah, but he holding Lincoln. He holding Lincoln, sir.
Lincoln know what to do. Leave it. Lincoln knows what to do.
Take off the hand of him.
Hold on, what happened here, sir?
Take off the hand of him.
You know, everyone that has touched me, he already up to me.
Hold on now. Hold on now. Hold on now. Hold on. Get him off the ground. Get him off the ground. Get him off the ground. Hey, no. You're protect Lincoln. Protect. Move.
Well, my people, that was something that happened, you see me? Alright, so based on some things that I saw and heard in the video, and based on information that I got, it is said that at least one lawman had been accused of assaulting Bain, or being accused at least one lawman of assaulting him. See? Now, based on some more things that I saw and heard in the video, viewers and subscribers, and information that I got, it is said that at least one lawman said that the gathering was an unlawful assembly or illegal gathering then, as how some people might say, viewers and subscribers. So may I say? Yeah, so I also got the understanding that an investigation might be done when it comes down to this whole situation based on information that I got, viewers and subscribers. I also got more than one information as to how many persons had been arrested or detained on that day when the video had been recorded, viewers and subscribers. But because me get more than one information about that, me not gonna mention any number. You understand me? Please bear in mind that there are more information about the whole situation and certain allegations have been made about the situation as well, viewers and subscribers. It is also said that Bain is a social activist. Well, my people, as far as I got the understanding is that some question being asked about how police treated the person who goes by the last name of Bain. You see me I say? Other question that been asked as well about the whole situation for your subscribers. You see me? Oh, and I hear somebody on social media mentioned the deputy commissioner of police within Bahamas name about this whole situation, viewers and subscribers. You know, but I'm gonna leave out that part. So let me know what I think, viewers and subscribers, especially my viewers and subscribers from within the Bahamas. Let me know what you think about this situation. If you can even leave a comment or comments to give me more information about it, that would be good. You see me I say, cause I'm not Mr. Know It All. I saw me stay now, me not around to ask questions. You see? Until next time, my name is Dancehall Skilla. Big up.